Everyone, welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Your hair tied in the form of a ponytail, then insert a 5-legged back pin through the downward side of your ponytail. Then divide that ponytail into 2 equal halves and keep tying plaits with that ponytail. Repeat the same process with both the parts of your hair, and then when you are done, roll that plaits around the corners and around the circles of your hair where you put the back pin in the earlier place. Tie the ends of the ponytail with a rubber band and then give it a crisscross look, inserting the leftover part inside and then securing it properly with a bobby pin from all the ends of your hair. It's done. Take your hair, divide it into 2 parts. Take one part, tie it with a rubber band tightly. Take another part, repeat the same process of tying it with a rubber band. And then when you are done, take both the ponytails and insert it on one another from the upper part of your hair. Repeat the same process, giving it a bold, thick plaited look, and take the lower ends of your hair, tie it with a rubber band and insert it inside carefully. Decorate it with your favorite back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of lower ponytail. Then take the lower end of the ponytail again and then divide it into 2 parts. Then crisscross and roll both the parts along one another, giving it a circular look and then inserting it properly with a bobby pin or a back pin onto the upper part of your hair as well. Repeat the same process again and again so that it looks like a Jura. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, then make a gap, give it a ribbon look. Take the lower ends of your hair, tie it with a rubber band again. Then comb the lower part of your hair, divide it into 2 parts. Take one part, tie it with a rubber band. Take another part, tie it again with a rubber band. Then make a gap in between both the parts of your hair and take it upwards, roll it around the ribbony end of your hair which you just made. Take the lower ends of your hair and then along with the help of a rubber band, insert it inside your singular circular part of the hair. Take your hair, tie it in the form of lower ponytail. Take the lower end of the ponytail, tie it again with a rubber band. Then take the lower end and then make plaits out of that lower part of the hair. And then when you are done, tie the lower end with a rubber band again. Then make a gap between the upper part of the hair and then insert the lower end inside the upper part, giving it a circular look, and insert the plaited part through the gap and then secure it properly with your favorite back pin. Take your hair, divide it into 2 parts. Then take one part, insert it through the gap of the half ponytail which you just made. Then take the rest over part of the hair, tie it with a rubber band. Take the lower end again and tie it again with a rubber band. Make a gap in between and then insert your hair through the gap and along the upper part of the hair, give it a zaggy look and secure it properly with a Juda pin or a bobby pin. Thank you for watching.